Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We've been working on the XR8, bringing it back to what it should be, and now we've entered it in its first competitive event. So welcome back guys. So if you're new to the channel, you know we've been working on cars a little bit, but we also take them to the track, and I encourage everyone to do it. And so far on the channel, we've taken my old Falcon to Power Cruise, we've taken it to the drag strip, we've taken my Nissan Pulsar Nitrous to Power Cruise, and to the Territory to the drag strip. And you guys can check out the videos on them if you want to, previous videos. But finally, we're going to enter something in competitive motorsport. Now, being a street car, you are sort of limited to what you can do in motorsport, but there is things you can do. So what we're entering in is a part of what's called the Speed Event series, and it's a super sprint. So it's essentially a time attack, and you can enter your street cars in that event, and there'll be their own categories. This one will be either in 3 litre and over or 2 litre and over, road registered, and you just have to make a few changes to your car to get it ready for an event like that. Along with making a couple of changes to the car, you also need to join a CAMS affiliated car club. You need to get your speed event license or speed license, which you do that by going to motorsports.org, getting registered up through that. And yeah, it's basically the entry-level way to get into motorsport if you have a street car. Now you can go to events like the drag racing, where you can just turn up on the day and you can roll up, have a helmet, and as long as you know your battery's secured, they're all good. And even Power Cruise is probably the one I would recommend if you want to take your friends in the car. You don't even need helmets, you can go cruising, have a bit of fun with your mates. But they've stopped doing that in Western Australia for whatever reason, so a bit limited now. So next step was, let's do some competitive racing. So I'm going to save all that prep for the event for another video. We'll go through that, but it's simple things like fire extinguisher, tow points, things like that. But let's see what we're working with. This is, if you haven't been here before, a 2005 Ford Falcon BA XR8 Mark II. Has the 260 quad cam V8 Boss engine. This one has pacemaker extractors, twin 2.5 inch exhaust. We've got the custom intake we've worked on, the K&N. I was going to finish off the intake with the SS inductions kit, but unfortunately it won't be manufactured in time, so we'll probably just chuck the original mouth back on for the event, and we'll do that after. But last time this was dynoed, it made 310 horsepower at the wheels, and that was on a roller dyno, and it's also pulled a 1366 when my brother was driving it at the quarter mile, so it's not too bad. But we haven't actually done anything, you know, going around a corner or anything like that. It's been to Power Cruise, but nothing competitive, so it's time we do it. So since having the car, we've upgraded the wheels, the tyres, we've serviced all the fluids. The only one we haven't done is the BTR auto gearbox. Hopefully that doesn't let me down in the event. But yeah, overall, should be interesting. It should be able to get a good idea of what we need to change for future events, and then we can start going in hill climbs. And in the future, we're waiting for the racetrack to get built in my local area. We'll build a race car. But building a race car, that's for the future. But not only do you have to change your car, you also have to do a few things for yourself. Like I said, the licenses and joining up the club, joining the event, you got to make sure you have a decent helmet. And the thing to look for is, you know, it's got to have that sticker down there. You can buy ones off eBay. I got this one for like $80 off eBay, but it is accredited, but some of the other ones aren't. So look out for that. You got to have a helmet. You got to have your longs on top, longs on bottom, and you should be able to get away with that. Chuck that in with the fire extinguisher, your tow points. That should really realistically get you by. So once your car's set up, once you're set up, you can pretty much enter these events. And I do encourage everyone to try and get involved with motorsport. It's a dying thing. We all see how it's going with electric cars and everything like that, so get amongst it. So I'm definitely looking forward to the event. It's going to be good to actually compete in something, and yeah, once we've done that, we can see what's lacking in the areas it's lacking and where we can improve it. And after that, we continue on, keep doing the modifications on this, come back with nitrous, and then hopefully from there we can just keep entering more events and yeah, make more content. Should be fun. hope you guys look forward to it. Thanks for watching, as always. Till the next one. See you later.